Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix TikTok Creator Center login issues, creator account errors step by step clearly. If you are having trouble logging into the TikTok Creator Center, follow these steps to resolve your issues. Begin by checking your internet connection. Ensure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. Next, clear the cache and data of the TikTok app. Go to your device's settings and locate the TikTok app. Select the option to clear cache and data. After clearing the cache, restart the app and try to log in again. If the problem persists, make sure you are using the correct login credentials. Double-check your username and password for any typos. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Follow the instructions sent to your email or phone to create a new password. If you are still unable to log in, try to access the Creator Center from a different device. This will help determine if the issue is with your device or the application itself. Additionally, ensure that your TikTok app is updated to the latest version. Go to your device's App Store and check for any available updates for TikTok. If the app is up to date and you continue to experience issues, try reinstalling the app. Uninstall TikTok and then download it again from your App Store. Once reinstalled, open the app and attempt to log into the Creator Center once more. If you are still facing login issues, check TikTok's official help center for any known outages or issues. You can also consider reaching out to TikTok support for additional assistance. Provide them with details about your issue and any error messages you receive. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most login issues related to the TikTok Creator Center. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.